sitting straight or lying on the floor, feeling your ground, your seat bones, body touching the earth or your feet, your head touching the sky, shoulders open, relaxed. Open your heart with a gentle inner smile. Let everything open and relax of this central column. Our feet touching the earth, our head touching the sky. Imagine or feel a golden light shining from your core. Let this radiant light brighten the sky and illuminate the earth. Allow it to penetrate not only the depths of the universe, but also your inner being, connecting you with the infinite. In this state, you feel yourself returning to the beginning, like a newborn baby, gentle and full of an inner smile. That smile relaxes your entire body, leading you into a profound state of calm and quiet. When your inner world becomes more and more tranquil, calm, the stillness connects you directly to the vast universe, the deep earth, and your inner being all at once in wholeness. Imagine or feel a universe of tremendous space that somehow also fits into the palms of your hands. This powerful energy flows through your hands and reaches deep inside you, triggering transformation throughout your entire being. It absorbs and unites all the wisdom, compassion from all living beings, seen and unseen. You are connected into this web of life, of good information, of wise, compassionate information. All kinds of illnesses stem from coldness. Things like flu and viruses originate from the coldness, the cold qi. However, every problem and disease can be dissolved by the inner fire. This inner fire represents yang energy, a strong, blazing fire of yang. Let this yang energy begin in your heart. Flow down to your feet, and at the same time reach the kidneys on both sides. And fill every inner organ as it expands within your vast space, your vast inner space. This golden, powerful yang energy fills your entire being, from deep inside to the outside world. Its light dissolves any illness, virus, or disease. Inside, outside, harmonize, become one. Feel this warm, luminous energy spreading within, expanding throughout your endless inner space, filling you completely. In this quiet state, your inner mirror reflects the universe in all directions. Place your palms over the guan, which is just around 3 fingers below the navel. Visualize the fire from your heart flowing down, penetrating your navel and reaching the guan, the energy center inside you, just 3 fingers underneath your navel. Picture a bright, powerful fire in that space, warming and energizing you. Envision yourself returning to this vibrant, yang, warm state, filled with vitality and radiant energy. May this yang energy and strong immune system be strong and abundant, be healthy, be happy. May all your wishes come true. May your career prosper. May you receive everything you desire. And may good fortune be on your side. Let the yang energy to continue to fill your life, energizing your heart and kidneys. When you are full of loving kindness and compassion, this is a higher yang energy. And this goodwill, this loving kindness and compassion, let it extend to yourself first, your family and nature, to all beings, like the sun shining on the good and the bad alike. Bringing even more powerful yang energy from your heart and kidneys. Let hope and happiness fill you. This is our greatest protection, physically and emotionally. Let this hope and happiness fill you and your loved ones. This hope sustains a yang-filled life, where smiling comes effortlessly from the heart and radiates through your body. This is a powerful opening, a flood of yang energy setting the tone for your year. Vibrant, positive energy. See yourself in this state for this year and beyond, full of vitality, health, and positive energy. Visualize this uplifting vision imagining your family living in harmony and love with everything flowing smoothly. And more importantly, see yourself reconnecting with your true nature, your inner being, living each day in line with your authentic nature and feeling incredibly fortunate. Now guide your chi down to your lower dantian. Put your hands just underneath your navel, on your belly, one hand on top of the other. And take a moment just to breathe and be here. Centered in wholeness. You have the earth beneath you, the top of your head touching the sky, feeling centered, feeling the support of the earth and the sky, your breath. To finish, I'm going to ring a bell. Just listen to the bell as it slowly dissolves into the stillness.